What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guessed it, I traded UNH stock. United Health Group made $1,296. That puts us up year to date 58,351 bones. It's been excellent trading UNH. Look at these gains here. 19,665 plus this almost 4,000. We've made about $23,000 to $24,000 just trading UNH stock. I'm going to break it down for you. Let's get right into it. So hopefully you can learn from this, and just want to show you what I'm doing to make money, and hopefully you can implement this in your trading strategy as well. So I bought the dip around here at 3 o'clock, and to me this was a no-brainer. I think sometimes what you have to do is you have to look at the previous history of where stocks are bouncing off of, and you also need to just think about $300 per share for me is a psychological level to say, you know what, I'm going to take a stab at this. I'm going to buy this. But when you look at UNH, you can see multiple touch points. Right here, there was one. Let's just draw it out in a rectangle for newer guys that are viewing the channel for the first time. Right in these two spots, you have touch points around 300. And then you also have a closer one right here, which is about 301 in this area, so we're going to mark that off. And then today, when I was trading it, I was looking for 300 to 301. So going on the 5-day chart, you have a touch here, a third touch here. Here was our entry on the fourth touch, which we are going to zoom in on. Looking at it here is where my entry was. I bought at 350 cents. So I was off by 50 cents. This stock went down to 300.01. Entered here, looking at that psychological $300 level, giving myself a point stop loss. So if it went down to $299, I would have cut my loss. Taking profits up back at VWAP. VWAP is this pink line right here. It was rejecting VWAP all day, and I will draw this for you. You can see in this pink line right here, it was rejecting here, rejecting this whole area. I'm going to make this a little bigger. Let's just see if we can highlight this for the viewers. We'll modify the VWAP. Let's make the lines very thick. Here we go. So rejecting VWAP right here as well, and then rejecting again. So I bought the dip here at the $300 psych level, 1 point stop loss, sold it up 2 points. That's a 2-to-1 ratio, and that's how I made $1,300 on that trade. For those of you that are watching, I will be live streaming tomorrow, so definitely check that out. Wednesday, we will live stream for you guys. Just click the live stream tab. I'll also set out a notification so you guys can follow along. Thank you, members, for supporting the channel. We're starting to get a lot of you guys, so I really appreciate you stepping up and supporting the channel. You get access to these members only or members first videos, the only supply and demand trading video that you really need. VWAP breakthrough strategy, how to scalp $50 to $150. And I have another video on why I'm holding UNH for the next 10 years and continue to dollar cost average in them. And there's a bunch of playlists for you if you're just looking to learn. Check out the popular videos with how to set up automatic investments. This is probably the single best video that I have on my channel, and this will teach you just how to dollar cost average into broad index funds and ETFs to build your retirement account today. You can also check out a very popular video, FSELX, a semiconductor that has proven to be excellent gains over the last 5 years, and another dividend ETF, FDVV, that I break down for you as well. And if you're interested in the day trading setup that you saw earlier, you will see the Day Trading Fidelity Trader Pro that I use, how to set it up tutorial. Everything's broken down on here. Guys, check it out. This stuff is free. If you want to take it to the next level, you can click on the links and you get access to the WAP where you can discuss investing with me. We also have a community of investors in there that are all trying to work to find the next trade, the next long-term investment, just to review portfolios. It's awesome. It's an honor to have everybody. And if you want to support the channel, please click this link, become a member, and I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in.